Wow, it's gonna work way later.
Isn't gonna work. Don't.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
So here's what I have. Let me tell you what we're dealing with first. I have sodium hydroxide. Now you see that it's in this bottom. Sodium hydroxide, when it's pure, is a solid. That doesn't look solid to me. That's because the sodium hydroxide is dissolved in water. It's aqueous. And then the other reactant is CuNO3 taken twice. Copper 2 nitrate. That's dissolved in water. All ionic compounds are solids. So if you see them in a liquid form, that means they're dissolved in water. All ionic compounds are solid. All of them. So we have CuNO3 taken twice, like that, aqueous. What happens is the sodium and the copper are going to switch places. The sodium goes with the nitrate, NaNO3, and the copper goes with the hydroxide. Now it turns out the copper hydroxide, copper 2 hydroxide, is insoluble. It doesn't dissolve. So when it's made, you'll see it as a precipitate. This is going to turn out to be a solid because it's insoluble. I'm just going to add a little bit of the copper ion so that you can see what it looks like. This is really nice too. You're going to like this. Oh, look at how nice that is.
That's sound.
Lava lamp.
Yes.
That's what I thought.
Did you get that? Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
All these crystals just kind of pile up on each other.
That's not like.
And I only added a little bit of the copper ion because if I add a lot of it, then the whole thing just turns blue with that solid and you don't really get to see what it looks like. But you see how it's crystallized? It's an insoluble copper hydroxide.
I have a question. So, what happens if you take the water out? Would it?
Yeah, it would still be solid.
Oh,
It would
okay.
just be, it wouldn't be in a nice three-dimensional thing. It would just all flatten out on the little dot. The water was kind of keeping it up there like this.
So if you run this a dropper, it would be like the same thing.
Yeah, it would just get sucked up into the dropper. It's not all one big piece. It's just a.
Oh, no, like the drop in is like perfect drop.
Oh yeah, I don't know. Yeah. That would have been cool, I guess. Anyway, that's an example of double replacement reaction. James.
What if you were when you said like if you were pour it out like it would just be flat?
Yeah.
So if you shake it up, it will like change shape.
Yes, it will. It's not much to look at once it's shaken up. At this point now, all of it eventually will settle to the bottom in just a lump at the bottom. So next time you look at it and it looks boring, think James.
James.
Not interesting anymore.
That touched my heart. Thank you.
All right. So there's a double replacement reaction. You'll see other double replacement reactions too. Even this out.